Welcome back, guys, to another Unity tutorial gaming. So in this video I'm going to start up some other things like how we are going to make a project and how we are going to install Unity. The installation of the Unity is a little bit you know it's a common thing and everybody know about it, and it's not a big logic and any kind of other specific thing. The thing is that when you're just creating a project, you have to keep certain points in your mind. You have to install a certain points that can be very important when you're creating a certain kind of project. The first thing that when you are going to install that Unity, it will basically first you're going to install the Unity help. Once you install it, and then you are also going to see such kind of that interface. So the thing is that if you're going to do click on certain thing, is the project. When you just create a project, it will show you that add a project from your disk. It means that run the project from the existing portion in your disk. So you just click that and let me click on it. Okay, once I can click on it, it will show you all the projects. So you just go to your directory and folder and just choose your project and then tab on it and say add object, add project, and it will automatically add it, and then you'll simply click on it and it will open it. Okay, the thing is that when you're creating a new project, we are going back to this one very later, but first I'm going to giving information about the install tab. So now here this you can see that I have installed the Unity 2 version. The first one is the latest one, and the second one is 2019. So it depends on you and your requirement. So and the next thing that is most important, as well as that you just click on that setting, and as well as go to your admin tool. So here you can see, guys, okay, let's open it. So here you are going to the thing is that the most important thing that you have to install that Android build support. That is really important. If you are making your game for iOS, then you're going to install as well as that. And the another thing is that you have to do is that that documentation, it's must as well as because it will document and all other stuff, so that how you know the certain thing, the certain points are doing, so it will redirect to your document. So that is really helpful in the when creating any certain game. So okay, for the beginner. Okay, the thing is that learn, you can also learn. There's also the future recommendation, downloads, all the other stuff. You can just go and visit them for the learning if you're newbies and beginner. So that's it. And here is a cool some kind of courses you can is a free available, and you just go and start your game. So that's great. And there is your community. So there's a GitHub community. You just go and and go there, answer whatever you question and whatever problem you have. You just simply go there and what is this? What is this? What is this? Why is doing this? Come on, just move it. Okay, so for that, now we just go back to the project and say, and here just click on this new project. When you click on that new project, then you have to do, so the vendor will be appear like this. Okay, just wait for a second. So once that's been reloading, we are going to, then I'm going to teach you what you are going to do. Okay, so the by default is select the 3D game. It's depending to if you're creating a 2D game, then you can select this one 2D. If you're creating a 3D game, then you're creating a 3D game. Now you can see that in my previous video I just starting the 3D game, the racing 3D game. So let's me pick that, and you're just going to do. And also there's a pretty template of the project. So that's not for you now, because we are newbies and we don't know about all this other stuff. So that's really good that you just select that 3D by default. So you just click that, and also give the name to this one, and also just choose your directory where we're going to save your project. So that's a simple thing that you have to keep in mind when you're creating a project. Once you just select that, and simply just go and select and click on the button create project. It will automatically create the project, and once you just create click on that, it will read oh my goodness, where is, okay, we have to say redirect, right? Let me cancel that, and once you just do that, it will then the screen will be appear like this. So you're going to see that okay. The Unity is going to be so you're going to see that kind of interface. So there's a lot of stuff, don't worry about it. It's looking a little bit crazy, and I thought it was going to be difficult, but seriously, it's looking too much easy. So in my opinion, that's it for now. We are going to, in the next video, we are going to tell you about all of the stuff. So that's it for now.